Born in a Santali tribal family on June 20, 1958, in by the Pusi village of. Hello friends, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, The Way of Education. I am Nitik from The Way of Education. Friends, you have seen the thumbnail and understood that we are discussing today. What we are discussing today. So you have must have in this video session, and let's start without delay. So let's start. Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu. Okay. Draupadi Murmu, born June 20, 1958, is an Indian politician. She is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. She is the official nominee of the BJP LED National Democratic Alliances for the 2022 presidential election. She is previously served as the ninth governor of Jharkhand from 2015 to 2021, coming from the state of Odisha. Murmu is the first governor of Jharkhand to complete the 5-year term and the first person belonging to a scheduled tribe, means ST, to be nominated to the post of President of India. So, Draupadi Murmu is belonging to a scheduled tribe, and she is the first person who belonging to a scheduled tribe and to be nominated to the post of President of India. Now we know about the Indian presidential election 2022. Yashwant Sinha is a veteran and highly experienced politician. He was also the finance minister and minister of external affairs for India. He has been named as the presidential candidate for the 2022 elections by the opposition. Drapudi Murmu is currently standing against him for the same. Both of them presently have a very strong candidature. However, seems that India might have the upper hand this time as well. The backdrop of Murmu's life and her humble image in Indian politics would definitely benefits them. However, Jason Sinha also knows his way as he was an ex-IS officer and he is very renowned politician. It will be exciting to see who would be the next and 15th president of India. Next, we discuss about the personal life of Draupadi Murmu. Drapudi Murmu was born in a Santali tribal family on June 20, 1958, in by the Pusi village of Mayurbhanj district in Odisha to Brinchin Narayan Tudu. Both her father and grandfather were village heads under the Panchayat Raj system. Drapudi Murmu married 𝐓𝐴 Murmu. The couple had two sons, both of whom died, and a daughter. It was the personal life of Drapudi Murmu. The personal life of Drapudi Murmu was always filled with hardships. While she is born to a village headman, she did have to go through the social oppression that her tribal caste brought to her. She belonged to a remote area and struggled her way into society. Her marriage also brought her major emotional setbacks. It was very tragic when she lost her husband, Samcharan Murmu, followed by the death of her two sons. It was her diligence and compassion for society that she continued on despite all the tragedies he faced in her personal life. Next, we know about the career of Drapudi Murmu. Murmu started out as a school teacher before entering state politics. In previous, we discussed about the entering of the state politics in of Drapudi Murmu. And before the entering of state politics, Murmu started out as a school teacher. Okay. Next, state politics. We know about the state politics of Draupadi Murmu. Murmu was elected as the councillor of the Rairangurpur Nagar Panchayat in 1997. She also served as the National Vice President of Bharatiya Janata Party Scheduled Tribe Morcha during the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Biju Janata Dal coalition government in Odisha. She was the Minister of the State with the independent charge for commerce and transport from March 6, 2000 to August 6, 2002, and Fisheries and Animal Resource Development from August 6, 2002 to May 2004. She is former Odisha Minister and MLA from Rairangarpur Assembly constituency. In the years 2000 and 2004, she was conferred Nilkanto Award for the Best MLA by Odisha Legislative Assembly in 2007. She achieved she achieved the Nilkanto Award for the Best MLA, Odisha Legislative Assembly. Next, we know about the government seat. She was the first woman governor of Jharkhand. She was the first female advisory leader from Odisha to get appointed as the governor of an Indian state. 2022 presidential campaign. What is the 2002 presidential campaign? In June 2022, the BJP nominated Murmu as the National Democratic Alliance's candidate for President of India for the 2022 election the following month. Next, we know about the latest news about Draupadi Murmu. On 21st June 2022, the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi envisaged a compassionate Indian society as NDA elected 𝐓𝐴 Draupadi Murmu for the candidate for the upcoming presidential election in 2022. So parents, we hope you like the whole video today, and to get more new videos like this, you must subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get the next video that we uploaded to our channel. Thanking you for being by our side till the end of our video.